Welcome dear students. In this video lecture we are going to solve the GTU question paper of heat transfer dated 15th December 2021. This is the latest question paper of a GTU. You may take as a references. So let's start with the numerical portion first. The first numerical asked in the question 2C is a gas pipe is capped in atmosphere of 20 degree. The radius of pipe is 3.75 centimeter and it is lagged with insulation thickness of 2.5 centimeter. The emissivity of surface is 0.9. The length of the pipe is 6 meter. Surface temperature is 80 degrees centigrades. Calculate the total heat loss from the pipe, the overall heat transfer coefficient, and the third is the heat transfer coefficient due to only radiation. And the properties of air at 50 degrees centigrades are given. For the convection heat transfer, use correlation Nusselt number equals to 0.53 Grashof into Prandtl to the power 1 by 4. So let's start with this numerical. So same data we take from the GTU question paper. Student, first we understand the geometry given over here. So here one pipe is there having the radius, let we take R1, and this value of R1 is given, that is 3.75, and there is one insulation have provided on the outer surface of this pipe. So the thickness of this insulation is given, the radius of this outer layer as R2, then R2 becomes R1 plus T. So here the value of radius of the pipe is given, that is 3.75 centimeter, and the thickness is given, that is 2.5 centimeter. So outer radius becomes 3.75 plus 2.5, so it becomes the 6.25 centimeter. Now we are going to write it down, the given data. Here the bulk fluid temperature is air and the air temperature is given, that is 20 degrees centigrades. So if we convert it into the Kelvin, then it becomes 293 Kelvins. The surface temperature is given and that is the 80 degrees centigrades. So it becomes 80 plus 273, which becomes 353 Kelvin. The radius of pipe R1 is given, that is 3.75 centimeter. So if we convert this radius into meter, then it becomes 0.0375. Then thickness of insulation is given and that is 2.5 centimeter. So the outer radius R2 becomes R1 plus T and the value is 6.25 centimeter. Again we are converting the centimeter into the meter, so it becomes 0.0625 meter. Then from the surface temperature and the bulk fluid temperature, we are able to calculate the mean temperature. Surface temperature plus bulk fluid temperature divided by 2. So we get 80 plus 20 divided by 2, which becomes 50. And if we add 273, then it becomes 323 Kelvin. As well as the properties of air at mean temperature at 50 degrees centigrades, or we can say the 323 Kelvin given, that is density is 1.092 kg per meter cube. The thermal conductivity of air is given, that is 27.81 into 10 to the power minus 3 watt per meter into degree centigrades. Viscosity is given, that is 19.57 into 10 to the power minus 6 kg per meter into seconds. The value of sigma, that is Stefan Boltzmann's constant, is given, that is 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8 watt per meter square Kelvin to the power 4. The value of Cp of air is given, that is 1.007. Generally we are taking 1.005 and the unit is kilojoule per kg Kelvin. The length of pipe is also given, that is 6 meter, and the emissivity is given, that is 0.9. So students, here we need to consider the heat transfer by radiation as well as convection. So heat transfer by radiation plus convection will give you the Q total. So in mathematical form we can write that Q total is equals to Q radiation plus Q convection. And we know that the formula of Q radiation is sigma into A into the emissivity into Ts to the power 4 minus T infinite to the power 4. So using this formula, we can be able to calculate the rate of heat transfer by radiation. And for the convection, we know the formula, that is HA Ts minus T infinite. So students, here the value of sigma, A, emissivity and the temperature are known to us. So first we calculate the heat transfer by the radiation, and value of H for the Q convection is unknown to us. So we need to calculate the Nusselt number, and from Nusselt number we are able to calculate this convective heat transfer coefficient. So let's start with the radiation heat transfer first. So heat loss by radiation is QR is equals to sigma A emissivity into Ts to the power 4 minus T infinite to the power 4. The value of Stefan Boltzmann's constant is 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8. The area is 2 pi r into L. So 2 pi is constant and the radius is 0.0625 meter into the length of the pipe is 6 meter into the temperature difference, that is 353 to the power 4 minus 293 to the power 4. So we get the value of QR, that is heat loss by the radiation, is 980.32 watt. Now students, we calculate the heat loss by convection, and we know that the formula of Q convection is HA Ts minus T infinite. Here the value of H is unknown to us, so we are utilizing the correlation which is given in the numerical is Nusselt equals to 0.53 Grashof into the Prandtl whole to the power 1 by 4. So students, we need to calculate the Grashof numbers and Prandtl number. So first we calculate the Grashof number. So the formula of the Grashof number is beta G delta T L to the power 3, means here the characteristics length is the diameter. So we consider diameter to the power 3 and kinematic viscosity to the power 2. Now we put it down. We know that the beta is 1 by T mean. So it becomes 1 by 323. G is constant, that is 9.81. Then delta T, we know that then the D is given, that is 0.125 meter, and kinematic viscosity, we know that it is mu divided by rho for the air. So mu is given, that is 19.57 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by the density is 1.092. Now students, using this all the values, we are able to calculate the Grashof numbers. So the Grashof number is equals to 1 by 323 into the value of G is 9.81 into temperature difference is a 60 degree into diameter to the power 3, so 0.125 whole to the power 3 divided by 19.57 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 1.092 whole to the power 2. By giving simplifications, we get the value of Grashof number is 110,81854. Now students, we are going to calculate the Prandtl number. So we know the formula of Prandtl number, it is mu Cp by K. So mu is given, that is 19.57 into 10 to the power minus 6 into Cp of air is 1.007 divided by the thermal conductivity is 0.02781. That is already given in the data. So we get the Prandtl number 0.708. Now from Grashof number and Prandtl number, we are able to calculate the Nusselt number using the given correlation, that is Nusselt equals to 0.53 into Grashof into Prandtl to the power 1 by 4. So 0.53 into 110,81854 into 0.708 whole to the power 1 by 4. We also know the other formulas of Nusselt number, that is HLC by K. Here the characteristics length we take as a diameter of this pipe. From that we have the value of H is equals to 0.53 into 110,81854 into 0.708 whole to the power 1 by 4 into the thermal conductivity is 0.02781 divided by the diameter, that is 0.125. So we get the value of H, that is 6.241 watt per meter square into Kelvin. So now using this value, we are able to calculate the Q convective. So Q convective is equals to HA Ts minus T infinite. So value of H, that is 6.241 into area is 2 pi into R2, that is 0.0625 into the length is 6 meter into the difference between the surface temperature and the bulk fluid temperature is 353 minus 293. So we get the value of Q convective is equals to 881.8 watt. And from the value of Q radiation and Q convection, we get the Q total. So Q total is equals to QR plus QC, and we get the 980.32 and the QC is 881.8 watt. So finally we get the total heat loss from the pipe is 1862.12 watt. And now students, using the value of QR and Q total, we are able to calculate the heat transfer coefficient for overall as well as for the radiation. So first we calculate the overall heat transfer coefficient. So Q is equals to UA into delta T. We make the subject U, so it becomes a Q total divided by A into delta T. The value of Q total, we know that it is 1862.12 divided by the area is 2 pi into the diameter 0.0625 into the length is 6 meter into the temperature difference is 353 minus 293. So we get the value of U, that is overall heat transfer coefficient, which is 13.80 watt per meter square Kelvin. Now students, after calculations of overall heat transfer coefficient, we are going to calculate the heat transfer coefficient due to radiation only. So here Q radiation equals to HR into A into Ts minus T infinite. So we know that the value of HR becomes the QR divided by A into Ts minus T infinite. And the value of QR is 980.32. The area is again 2 pi into the radius, that is 0.0625 into the length is 6 meter into the temperature difference is 353 minus 293. So we get the value of HR is 6.94 and the unit is watt per meter square Kelvin. So this is our finding number 3. This is our finding number 2. And the total heat loss is our finding number 1. Students, in upcoming videos, we are going to solve other numerical of the same question paper. So tune with this channel by pressing the bell icon for getting updated videos of the same question paper. Thank you students. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.